Well, today we got yet another special roller coaster video for you people on the channel. And many of us roller coaster enthusiasts know some of the fastest coasters in the whole world. But today I'm gonna change the script a bit by talking about the fastest coasters by country. So the biggest question right here is, how many of these do you actually know? Now let's stop wasting time. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, like button, share button, and let's go into this video. Now the first country I have on the list is Italy, and the fastest coaster right here is iSpeed with a top speed of 100 km/h / 74.6 miles per hour. Now iSpeed is really a great intimate LSM launch coaster that stands in Mirabilindia. Now what's quite interesting is that the first launch does not take you to the maximum speed. This launch is from 0 to 100 km/h / 62 miles per hour in just 2.2 seconds. But after you hit that amazing top hat element on iSpeed, the ride goes further down into a large drop, and this is where you hit 120 km/h. This ride is just filled with many high-speed twists and turns and inversions, and the only problem with this roller coaster is that it is a bit slow in the end and the restraints are quite bad. Mirabilindia, please get rid of those restraints, please. Now the next country I have on the list is China, and their fastest roller coaster is Coaster Through the Clouds with a top speed of 136 km/h / 84.5 miles per hour. And I have sadly not been to Nanchang, Sunagland or China in general to try this awesome coaster. Coaster Through the Clouds is actually an intimate mega coaster with a large drop and a height. The drop on this amazing coaster is even larger than the height, coming in at 255.9 feet. And that is of course 78 meters tall, and you can see the track on this one has the intimate next generation roller coaster track combined with awesome lap bar restraints. Well, I can't really talk about the ride experience specifically, but you can see on the layout you have many big airtime moments right here. But if I ever did a China trip with coasters, yeah, this coaster is on the list. Now the next country I have on the list is Norway, and their fastest roller coaster is Storm the Dragon Legend with a top speed of 95 km/h / 59 miles per hour. This might sound a bit weird, but hear me out. Based on my list, Norway may have the slowest fastest coaster right here. But on the other side, this coaster is quite interesting because Storm the Dragon Legend was the first inverted infinity coaster by Gerstlauer, and it opened back in 2023. And this coaster is of course located in the best amusement / theme park in Norway. Oh well, that doesn't really say much because I think Tusenfryd is the only major theme park in Norway. This coaster experience is overall quite simple because you have that swing launch section and a few elements, and then you have 2 laps in total. But I have heard that people say this roller coaster really packs a punch, and it also has a cool low to the ground airtime moment, as you can see. Oh, I forgot something, because this is a prototype roller coaster by Gerstlauer, so that means it's a bit rattly. But the rattle is not that serious because you got lap bar restraints, which is awesome. Now the next country on the list is Germany, and this is where we got a tie between Silver Star and Schwur's Kärnan with a top speed of 127 km/h / 79 miles per hour. Now let's quickly talk about the oldest coaster right here, and that is Silver Star. This opened all the way back in 2002 at Europa Park. Silver Star is part of those iconic B&M hypercoaster models where you have those signature camelback hills with a lot of floater airtime. And being one of the oldest B&M hypercoasters, Silver Star is often mentioned as one of the weakest, but I don't really know. In my opinion, Silver Star features the best second half on any B&M hypercoaster. And then in Hansa Park we got the creepy, big, mysterious looking Schwur's Kärnan. This ride is just the biggest and baddest coaster Gerstlauer has ever made. This ride really has everything from amazing theming and an awesome roller coaster layout, which is very intense. Now I think it's time to mention Mexico, and their fastest roller coaster is Superman El Último Escape with a top speed of 120 km/h / 74.6 miles per hour. And surprise, we got yet another Superman themed roller coaster in Six Flags. But this roller coaster is actually quite special. First of all, it's a big hyper roller coaster with many airtime moments, but it's manufactured by Morgan. Morgan isn't really known for creating world-class roller coasters, but they make some of the big ones. They are smooth, they are just a great ride overall. And Six Flags Mexico might have been the lucky ones right here, because this is perhaps the best Morgan created coaster in the world. I just love looking at that classic Morgan roller coaster track with the awesome traditional colors. Let me know in the comments if you really like Superman El Último Escape. Now coming in as the next country, we got the updoor neighbors right here called USA, with the fastest roller coaster being Top Thrill 2 with a top speed of 190 kilometers per hour / 120 miles per hour. And it's just awesome to see that Top Thrill 2 is finally operating after a whole year of downtime. Oh, if you were born yesterday or not a roller coaster or theme park enthusiast, this is a reimagination of Top Thrill Dragster. This ride is currently the tallest and fastest LSM coaster in the world because Top Thrill 2 features this vertical twisted spike where you have the swing launch section. I was lucky enough to catch this roller coaster operating last year, and this is where I got one ride, and I must say Top Thrill 2 is really amazing and very intense, but the best launch is the backwards launch up that amazing vertical spike where you can see everything. After that you got the final big top hat element, and the roller coaster train just flies over that top hat with amazing airtime and down that twisted roll. Even though Top Thrill 2 will never feature that amazing Top Thrill Dragster launch, it is still a great experience for itself. Now the next country is the Netherlands, and their fastest roller coaster is Goliath with a top speed of 106 kilometers per hour / 65.9 miles per hour. Now Goliath has a bit of history because this is a mega coaster created by Intamin back in 2002, and I must tell you, this mega coaster opened when the park was called Six Flags Holland, and that paint job was just awful. Look at that green color. Ooh. Now the coaster stands with that traditional blue color, but it looks way better now. But the ride experience on Goliath is really polarizing because many people praise this roller coaster, but I don't really know why. Goliath for me is just an okay roller coaster with a few airtime moments, but also many drawn out and weak points. And I don't really know if I'm the only one saying this, but please let me know in the comments if you agree or disagree. Now let's travel all the way over to Japan, where the fastest roller coaster is Steel Dragon 2000 with a top speed of 153 kilometers per hour / 95.1 miles per hour. This humongous giga coaster at Nagashima Sparland is quite special because it opened all the way back in the year 2000, and it is also created by Morgan yet again. It is really no surprise that Steel Dragon is currently the longest roller coaster in the whole world and also one of the tallest. The trains on this giga coaster were not the best, so after we had an accident with the wheel falling off, they created new trains and it opened 3 years after. In 2013, the park revealed that they were getting new coaster trains made by Bolliger and Mabiat. So be sure to try out the current longest coaster in the world before Falcon's Flight opens, of course. Now let's travel over to the United Kingdom, where we have yet another roller coaster tie between Hyperia and Stealth with a top speed of 130 kilometers per hour / 80 miles per hour. And Hyperia just opened last year as the tallest roller coaster in the UK, and this has a very bizarre roller coaster layout created by Mark Rides. This coaster may be a bit problematic, bizarre and short, but it still features some of the best elements in the whole world. And in the same park we have Stealth, this classic and crazy intimate accelerator coaster with the hydraulic launch system, taking the riders to the top speed in just 1.8 seconds. Well, some people say that there is 1 kilometers per hour in difference between Hyperia and Stealth. Now the final country on the list is Canada, and this is where the fastest roller coaster is Leviathan with a top speed of 148 kilometers per hour / 92 miles per hour. And this humongous coaster was actually the first giga coaster exceeding 300 feet in height made by B&M. Leviathan opened back in 2012 at Canada's Wonderland, and this roller coaster is known for being smooth, fast and filled with airtime. But some people say that the ride can feel a bit short in terms of ride experience, even though the roller coaster stats wise is very long. Now I really want to know your thoughts in the comments below about this video. Was it a great video idea or just a bad one? If this video is a great idea, I could also do a sequel, but I could also include the tallest coaster in each country or the longest. Then at the end of the day, I'm always gonna say bye bye.